What's up, guys? Today we're playing Truck Robbery Part 2. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, well, I guess there's a fucking ad. Also, I cannot hear shit. I gotta go to the crazy game settings. It's still loading. Still loading. Okay, anyways, we're back. We finally got it to load. We gotta go mode. Number 7. It's out. I can actually hear it now. Most expensive horse is riding village. Yes, it has great value in the black market. Let's robe it to earn money. Go. Skirt! I hate this vehicle. It did not drift. Bruh, is there an invisible barrier? Here, let's go. This is actually so gay. Why is there a freaking invisible barrier? The music is actually. The music it's kind of not doing real well right now. It's like ass. Wait, hold on. We gotta go through it a different way. That's because I'm too smart. We cooking. We cooking chop. How did they not kill the horses? Okay, bro. Who is this? Welcome, Alex, to our gang. Thank you. We need some guns for Alex. Let's rob the gun shop in town. Okay, bro. We're still gonna try and drift. But this car cannot drift. Oh no, it's wobbling. Oh crap. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it's shooting at me. The gun, y'all probably don't hear it. I gotta dodge the bullets. Yeah. Let's stop right here. What? Alright. So, anyways, I went ahead and just finished the level. And look, it's freaking doing it again. Some precious old stuff is being taken out of city. Let's rob it to earn some good money. Look, there's a guy with an AK-47. They couldn't even make real police officers. Hold on. Yeah, get out of here. He didn't have an AK-47, but he looked at me wrong. So you know we can't let him live. Have to get them all. That one had an AK. Should have ran him over. Boom, boom. Let's go to level 9. I think we're gonna stop at level 16. Yes, it has a great value in black market. Let's robe it to earn money. That's a cow, I think. Can I run? Can I run over the fence? Oh, wait, it's this thing again. Yep, still blocked off. Oh my god! They want to make sure we don't make it. Okay, we're gonna have to go all the way around. No! Oh, wait. Oh, I guess my car has magical powers. We don't have to worry about that. If I run into a wall, I'm gonna get pissed. Here we go. We're actually doing something. Into the parking lot. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, we have to shoot them up. We have rob the cows. They took it away from the vehicle. Level 10. Put my dog all away. I never use that. I've never used it in my life. Are you a gamer or not? I got drip. Expensive cat. Um. Well, guys, it looks like I'm gonna pause the video real quick.